Good morning. Listen to the quiet here at Old Town Campground. The walking path. Okay, flowers are coming out. It's spring. This is Site 1 and Site 2. They will be available. Site 2 in April, Site 1 in May for permanent residency. We have 14. Site 13 will become available in June. Site 12 will become available in May. Site 5, it's a 50 amp, will become available in May. And they're all for permanent residencies. As you will see, we have very few sites available left for permanent residencies. Here we have Site 20 and Site 19. Now they are water and electric only, but we do have a dump service available for an additional fee. And then we have Site 30, 31. They're water and electric only, and they too are going to be available with the dump service for permanent residency. There's Bentley. Site 33 is a 50 amp full hookup, and we're coming up to Site 35, 50 amp pull through full hookup, and they too are available for permanent residency starting in May. Back there we have 57 50 amp water and electric, 36 water and electric, 44 water and electric, and they also are available for permanent residency. Then we have 38, 39, 40, and 41 are also available for permanent residency. Over here we have Site 46 that is available for permanent residency. Again, all these are water and electric only on this side of the campground, but they do have a water or a dump service available. Back there's Toby in our enclosed dog park, and Toby's a good guy. He's a puppy. Pets are very much welcome here. And that is it, and that is the extent of available sites. So if you are very much interested in a residency and a quiet park, then give us a call at 352-542-9500.